Hi, I'm Scott Lukes from Echo Summit Property Management. Today's topic will be talking about security deposit disposition, at least on a 101 level. By Colorado Real Estate Commission law, you have 30 days to return tenant security deposit after you've regained legal possession of the property, unless you otherwise state specifically in your lease up to 60 days, no more than 60 days. So with security deposit disposition, you took in a certain amount of money for potential damages. Let's say there were damages, you're checking the property back in. When you're doing the disposition, it's simply an accounting. Here's what I took in. I'm itemizing what I took out for items, for instance, beyond normal wear and tear. And I return that via check to the tenant. Again, we'll talk about this in another course, but typically we would send that with some sort of a delivery confirmation so that the tenant can't later come back and say, I never received it. So one area that we find property managers get themselves into trouble is 30 days, fine, but 30 days from when? When we regain legal possession of the property. It might sound simple, but it's not really a simple topic. Obviously, the easiest way to regain legal possession of the property is the lease is over, the tenant handed us our keys back. When those keys hit our hand, we regained legal possession of the property. What about an eviction? Somebody is in the eviction process, their lease is ended. Does that 30-day clock start ticking when the lease ended? No, it regains when it starts ticking from when we regain possession from the court. What happens when the tenant is still in the property? When you're awarded possession from the court or their stuff is still there, and then you have to do a sheriff's eviction. Then typically, now you should get your attorney involved at this point, but typically when at that point of the sheriff's eviction, that then is when that clock would start ticking. What can we withhold for? Well, there's a great topic on normal wear and tear that I recommend you view that talks in detail about the things that are typically okay to withhold for and the things that are typically not okay to withhold for. But in general, anything that is above and beyond what, for instance, a family of 4 living in this property for 2 years, the property would look like, you could typically withhold for anything above and beyond that. So I hope you found this topic useful. For more information on this topic, as well as others, please visit us online at echo-summit.com/education. Thank you.